have one minibot.
Name it fast.
Sorry.
Woohoo! Theo, don't shoot!
Don't worry, I figured out the real you. What happened?
You killed me, that's what happened.
You cheated. And you don't know how to name a variable.
What? Where are you spying on us?
Kind of.
Point is, you got to learn the rules to name variables.
We ought to choose the names which make sense, right?
Well, Theo, what you know isn't enough.
All right, tell me about the rules.
Remember the names you chose in the game?
Yeah, only the ones for which I was humiliated.
Yeah, 'cause they're wrong.
For instance, take the first one.
You used the space here. That's not allowed.
Yeah, that's why my minibot collapsed.
You can join words like
Okay, you may B of bot capital and join them.
haha, it's funny, it looks like a camel's hump.
Yeah, we call this style of naming as camel case.
Oh boy, I've never seen a camel listening to music before.
Well, you could also use underscore to join the words.
Interesting. I wonder if I can use other symbols.
Nope, you can't.
Only underscore, letters and numbers.
Okay. So what's wrong with this one? I used only letters and numbers.
Good question. You can't start a variable name with a number.
Oh, so a variable name can have a number but can't start with a number, right?
Yes, which means it can only start with an alphabet or underscore.
This one is tricky.
Theo, I bet you don't want to answer this question. Guess the output.
20. Ask me anything, Zoe. Anything.
Sure. 10, not 20, big guy.
Wait, what? Aren't these exactly the same?
Look closely.
Oh, this R.
There you go.
This one is lowercase and this is uppercase. Oh,
Now they don't look exactly the same, do they?
right. So uppercase and lowercase letters are totally different things for Mr. Python?
Exactly.
For us, these two things are almost the same. But for Mr. Python, they are two different things.
Looks like Mr. Python is quite sensitive about the case of letters.
Yeah. He is case sensitive.
Awesome. I was wondering, you all use different variable names and everything, right?
Uh-huh.
Isn't it hard for others to understand someone's program?
We have comments for that.
Comments? Like social media?
No, like these.
Everything that's written after the hash is ignored by Mr. Python.
He knows that it's for us to understand the program easily.
So I can write whatever I want after the hash and there won't be any problem?
Yup, but obviously not nonsense. Mr. Python can ignore it. I can't.
Alright, I'll use comments to make my program more understandable.
Excellent.
Maybe next time you'll win now.